In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide dimensions in Fusion 360. If your sketch is feeling crowded with numbers and callouts, hiding dimensions is a quick way to clean up your view and focus on the geometry itself. This is especially helpful when you're presenting, sharing screenshots, or simply trying to evaluate shape and proportion without the distraction of every driving value on screen. Don't worry, this doesn't delete anything or change how the sketch behaves, it just hides the visible dimension text on the canvas. Start by opening your sketch in Fusion 360. You can enter an existing sketch from the browser or create a new one, but the key is that you're working in sketch mode, so the sketch-specific tools appear. Once your sketch is open, look to the right side of the interface for the sketch palette. This panel contains a set of quick toggles that control what you see and how sketch objects behave while you work. It typically includes options like constraints, profiles, and, importantly for this video, dimension display. Within the sketch palette, find the option labeled Show Dimensions. This checkbox determines whether dimension values are shown directly on the sketch. To hide them, simply uncheck the box. As soon as you do, the dimension annotations vanish from the canvas, leaving your lines, arcs, and profiles uncluttered and easier to read. Your geometry remains fully driven by the same parameters and constraints as before. The numerical values are still applied in the background, even though the labels aren't visible. This visual change is non-destructive, and it's intended purely for clarity. The sketch still updates according to the parameters you've used, and constraints still hold your design together. If you're reviewing the overall silhouette of a part, checking alignment, or preparing clean visuals for a design review, hiding dimensions can make the sketch much easier to interpret at a glance. A few practical notes as you work this way. Remember that if dimensions are hidden, you won't see their callouts to edit them directly on screen. That's normal because you've told Fusion 360 not to display them. Also, because the dimension data is untouched, you can confidently continue sketching, adding geometry, and applying constraints without worrying about losing precision. That's all there is to it. Open your sketch, locate the Show Dimensions option in the sketch palette, and uncheck it to hide the values. Use this simple visibility toggle whenever you need a cleaner, more focused sketching environment. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clearer canvas in Fusion 360.